Every once in a while, a product comes along which changes my mind about my passion. Our native deer have been a huge part of my life for many years, whether I am stalking in the woods many miles from home, or simply sitting in the shadows, watching a roe deer in a meadow, or a red stag roaring in the mist. These are very special moments. A moment now that has changed in how I experience wildlife. With ultra-high definition daytime and next-generation HD thermal imaging, Habrok PRO has changed my outlook in every way possible. Experience the new HikMicro Habrok PRO HX60 HD multispectral thermal binoculars now at Scott Country International.
Hello everyone, this is Richard from Scott Country International with this week's episode of the Night Vision Show, where I'll be reviewing the fantastic HikMicro Condor CQ50L. You join me in a beautiful sunny day in September down the river here. My God, the weather recently has been deplorable, wet and just nasty, so it's great to get some good weather again. So what I'm going to do is show you some clips that I've taken over the past few weeks, some interesting ones as well with the CQ50, and put them all together. But what I'd like you to do as well is just stay to the end of this show when I've got some great news for all you guys that live around the west coast of the central belt of Scotland, an opportunity to come and meet the team. So wait to the end for that news, and I hope you enjoy the following clips. You're just about to see is a family of 3 roe deer at 471 yards, and you'll see me zooming into ×6 and taking advantage of the zoom and image pro technology within the fantastic Condor. So the next clip really shows you the power of the Condor with its 2,600 metre detection range. It's a sort of scenic shot in the distance, way in the distance, and you can see a lot of rabbits and hares in the scenery there, and it just shows you the real picture quality at distance. Enjoy. The next clip is a barn owl hunting across our cover crop. You can see it in the distance. I'm only in ×3 magnification, but can clearly see that's an owl. And it's great for game management to know what's happening around your land at night. It gives you that opportunity for a real insight. So you can just make it out in the distance working the cover crop. So what I'm just about to show you now is a clip of a family group. I think it's hares and leverets. There's 7 of them, and you can just see me working through the different colour palettes within the Condor. The next clip of the Condor is one for all you deer stalkers. It's actually 2 roe deer walking within the tree line of the woods, and you can see there's nowhere to hide when you move to the red hot colour palette on the Condor. Real good footage this. about to see now is a large skein of geese coming into the neighbouring pond. Quite a sight at night. You would never know they're there, you can hear them, but with the condor, nothing hides. So the one you're about to see now is quite an interesting one, quite a spooky one actually. It was a tawny owl, which I saw through the leaves on the tree and decided to go in for a closer look. Quite spooky. Actually happened when I was out stalking roebucks, and there's a roebuck in front of me, and would you believe it, a Charlie decides to pop out and walk right to left along the fence line, and I couldn't take it because I was after the roebuck, but here's the footage anyway. So you've seen some stuff at distance, which is always what you want to see, the power of the thermal at distance. But the next two clips, quick clips I'm just going to show you, are me bouncing a doe and then me getting really up close and personal with a clamped hare. And you can see the power of the 640 sensor because you can see the hairs in its back, quite incredible. Now this clip is about 17 minutes past 10 at night. Pitch black, and I could hear the quacking, and it was great to see this group of mallard coming into our flight pond. The next clip I'm about to show you is quite an interesting one actually. It's two big fox cubs out causing a riot. One's a dog and one's a vixen. Don't ask me how I know. But you can see them bumping into a roebuck, and to be honest, I don't know who gets the biggest fright, the roebuck or the foxes. You can just make it out in the background over the cows. The last clip I'm going to show you is a beautiful roe doe. You can't see it in the thermal, but it had a beautiful red summer coat on it, and you can also see me panning out to the Ayrshire Craig. Beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed all those clips, putting the full capability of the Condor CQ50L to the test. Just some finer details on this unit, because I know you guys are all experts most of the time when it comes to thermal, but this is a 640 by 512 sub 20 millikelvin sensor. It has a laser rangefinder which goes up to 1,000 meters. It's got Zoom Pro, which means it keeps the detail in the picture as you zoom in using its onboard technology. And it also has Image Pro, so when you looked at the landscape that I was looking out at away in the distance, you're not losing any quality. In fact, the picture's probably better in that than I've got in the daytime with my eyes, to be honest. Yeah, brilliant unit. I couldn't be without it for my deer stalking and my fox control. Absolutely love it. So, what was my news? I shared at the beginning of the video. So the news is, on Friday the 8th of November, we are having a demo night at Straven Golf Club. Now, we will have all the different companies represented. We'll have HikMicro, Infrared, Pulsar, all there, all the biggies there. And what we do have at Straven Golf Club, which is absolutely tremendous, is we have a viewing balcony, so you can actually go out onto the balcony and use the products in the flesh, which, as you know, is a game changer, especially at night and in a cold November. What we will also have from HikMicro is a service desk there, so we'll have someone there. So if you've got any missing parts from your products, anything you're broken, they will endeavour to fix it or put it right on the night. We'll also be doing a buffet, so you can skip dinner and come down the golf club. I think the event is running from 6 o'clock to 9:30, so why don't you come and meet all the team, the Scott Country International team at the event. Just chat about shooting, look at the all the different products, night vision and thermal, and meet the guys from HikMicro and Pulsar and Infrared as well. So it promises to be an absolutely brilliant night. So if you want to have a look just now at any of these products online, just jump onto www.scottcountry.co.uk and have a look at all the brilliant products we have to offer on the website. This has been Richard for the Night Vision Show, and I'll catch up with you all again soon, and hopefully the sun stays out in sunny Scotland. Boys, are you coming? Come on, catch you all later. Cheers. Come on, Brig.